Have you ever planned a route 250 miles away and actually climbed it? Well, that's what I'm doing in this video. I'll be looking at a map that I used in Humanities at school, climbing the route I planned with a piece of string, and having some fun in the snow on the way. We also have a special guest, Nanny. Anyways, we started in Patterdale, which I'll show on the screen now. Then we walked down this path up to Bordell House.
Beautiful thing, isn't it? Yeah. Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh wow, look at that. So that way is the way that Finley's route would have taken us. And that's about an hour's quite difficult climb, and then we'd have to an hour back. We've decided to go up this route, which is a much snowier route, and probably only about half an hour away. Is that right?
Yeah.
Good. Cool.
After Bordell House, the snow and ice started to get really puffy and slippy. So I bought an ice axe to break away the ice so we don't slip. When we got to the top of Red Crag, I had some fun in the snow and rolled down the little hill at the top. And got freezing cold. So, this was not what I was expecting when I planned it. I thought it'd be very small and dry, but since the weather was so good, I had such a good time. I would really recommend this hike. It's really fun and it's not hard. Plus, the view is really good on a clear day. It's really hard.
Did we? I thought it was ready.
Good. Thank you for watching, and if you like my content, please try and get me to 150 subscribers by the end of the year. I'll see you guys next video. Peace.